Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am back with the new episode of the new series, and today is the third episode of the series, driving tutorial for the beginners. And in this episode we will cover how to start the car and move it with some safety recaps. So before we start, let's go over some quick safety checks. Okay, so first, adjust your seat. The very first thing is adjust the seat as per your convenience, and so that you can reach to your paddles comfortably and without any stretching. Okay, and after that, adjust your side mirror so that you can see your car as well as the road. And third is your rear view mirror, okay, so that you can see the back side of your car. Okay, and then after that, make sure you buckle up your seat belt. Make sure you buckle up your seat belt before starting the car. That is the most important part of driving, and that includes your safety. Okay, so let's start the car, and for that you'll have to put your key in ignition. But before starting your car, make sure, if you are driving an automatic car, so make sure your gear is in park. But if you are driving manual, so as I am driving manual, so I will focus on the manual things. So if you are driving manual car, so make sure your gear is in neutral and your handbrake is on. Okay, so upway is on and downway is off. Okay, and make sure both the things, check both the things before driving. Gear is in neutral and handbrake is on. To start the car, what you need to do, press the clutch all the way down and turn the key, and your car is start. But in some of the cars they have a push button, so the same process is to be need to be repeat. Press the clutch and push the start button. Or some car needs a brake and clutch together and then start the key, turn the key. So in that way he can start your car. But check the safety first. If you don't check the safety, if your gear is on first, so your car will start moving. So check the safety before start your car. So before moving the car, if you are driving a manual car, we need to understand what is the meet point or what's the bite point. Okay, bite point is the point where our clutch and engine meets, and this allow our car to move without any stall. So this is the bite point or meet point, you can say. You have to understand like how that does work, and now you will see, I will show you how you will find the meet point where you will you can move your car without stalling. So let's move. For manual cars, before moving we need to shift the gear into first. Okay, so what we do is press the clutch pedal all the way down and shift it to first. Shift the gear into first, and here we will find the meet point. Here we'll see the meet point. How does it work? So what we do is we'll slowly start letting our foot off the clutch, and here you will feel the vibration and your car will start moving. And to stop, just press clutch and brake all the way down. Let's do it again. Okay, so we'll look on it again to make it clear. So let's just find the meet point. Okay, shift your gear into first, release your handbrake, and keep releasing your foot from the clutch slowly, and is the point where your car start moving, and it will vibrate a bit, and when it will start moving, that is the midpoint of your clutch and engine. So that's how it works. When you will press it again, I am not operating any other pedal, just clutch, and you will see I am releasing my foot from the clutch and my car just start moving without pressing any gas pedal and without doing any other activities. It's just the clutch pedal. You just need to understand where is your car's move midpoint, and your car will start moving. Okay. Now we'll see what will happen if we release our foot from the clutch too fast. So let's see what will happen. So again we will repeat the same thing. Shift your gear into first, release your handbrake, and okay, but this time we will just remove our foot from the clutch too fast, and what happened? You see your car stall and stop. Let's do it from the outside view so that she can figure it out. Shift the gear, handbrake down, and release your foot from the clutch too fast, and stall and stop. But don't worry, just retry, restart, and keep practice on this. So in manual car, when you find the midpoint, what you need to do is slightly press the gas pedal and keep lifting the clutch, and in this way your car will go smoothly without any stall. And if any point you need to stop your car, what you'll do, just press the clutch pedal all the way down and brake slightly, and in this way your car will stop at that point. So this is the way to start and move your car and stop your car. And once you stop, don't forget to shift your gear into neutral and your handbrake. And this is the way we just start and move the car and stop it. This is the smooth way, and what you just need to do is find the midpoint, and that will give you the smooth drive, smooth movement of your car. So I know this is quite difficult, but as I told earlier, practice makes man perfect. So you have to do more and more practice on this, and you will be a perfect driver. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Or if you find this video helpful, so please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel before leaving. And I will see you with a new episode very soon. Till then, keep practicing and safe driving. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.